this?
Oh, hell no. You was not getting these. These are double
What?
clap.
This is
I've never seen this before. You like this?
Yes.
Why you just want to be tall?
I don't know. Coming shots.
My head's completely cut off. The difference between this one and this one is this one actually brushes the hair as it goes through.
You sound like you're working here.
How you feel for sad? Come here, say when me feel for sad. How you feel for sad?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Did you catch that video? So my baby, my best friend, my BFF, my firstborn is here. So much tech I have here. And we're doing something special. Like I'm so super happy for the can't tell, because we're going on a date. Today's our date day. I don't know what.
Yeah, Mother Sunday.
Our day out. And we're going to the nail salon. I'm gonna with my nails on as usual, and he's gonna get his foot done. So I'm so excited about that. And then we're gonna finish it off, go to the mall. You're gonna stay with us for the whole day. So today's gonna be a daily vlog about us having a mother and son date. And if you catch me on camera, but yeah. So I'm excited. So stay with us. I just want to touch base with you guys to let you know that we are on our way to the nail salon. And I'm actually, I'm early. I'm on time. I got 14 minutes to reach. So I'll see you guys. Yes.
Okay. And swear.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Alright guys, we're finished with the salon, and we're heading to where we're actually here at the mall. But to moment the breeze up here, so Jesus breeze. The breeze is taking off my hat and everything. But yeah, we're heading to the mall. We're actually at the mall. I keep on saying that. We're at Buckland Hills Mall, and we're going to just go to get some lunch and go to
The candle place, I forgot what it's called.
Bath and Body Works. Yeah, so let's go.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Alright guys, we're in finish line. Hi. I kind of start liking a lot of Air Forces
Yep.
and the Air Maxes.
Air Maxes are over there.
So
These are Dunks. A lot of people wear these now, but I wouldn't buy these shoes just because everybody and their mom has this.
Mom, I'm plain black sneakers.
That's shoes.
Yeah, I'm plain black one. I need like a brownish looking one. Where the Air Maxes? I mean.
I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit.
No, that's definitely not my style. I love this.
Okay.
At these, like I don't like the that particular color.
Okay, I know what you're talking about now.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But like,
Air Max 90s.
I want a black one.
Black one?
Yeah.
Black one 90s, Air Maxes? Oh man.
Not necessarily.
So basic. Like it would look like this.
Look
really
like this.
No, it would look like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like
This
is
is
so basic.
cute.
So basic.
I like
I
this.
could get you another shoe in black and 130 for this. Not even. Oh no, I could get you another shoe for 130. That looks.
I just want to have plain black sneakers.
Plain black. I want to get you something that, like
me just
that
a
is
try
like-
for wear like with my sneaker with my socks.
I know.
and
Okay.
stuff.
I got you.
For me,
No, for me.
let's see.
Black or white, bro?
I love the Air Max and just a regular what do you call that one there?
What?
The one that over there, sir? The Air Force them.
Oh, Air Force.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are Air Forces, right?
Huh?
These are Air Forces. What are these?
No, they're just Nikes.
Okay. What's the difference between this one and...
That the other one is an Air Force and the other one is this is not.
No,
Air
like,
Force.
but it looks similar.
Okay, so let's go. Let me show you.
Like, I was never a sneaker person, you know, so I was in some for my heels.
Completely different.
Oh, I see. Okay,
Completely different.
okay.
Oh, good. I'm just shopping for her.
And this to kind of differentiates too.
Huh?
The Air Force one, obviously, on the vehicle.
Some of them you have to watch out though, because they come with like cream laces instead of white, and this is like a creamish color, but it's just a different.
So this is a plain black one.
No,
too.
you would not get the plain black one. Plain black one we don't wear nowadays, unless it has like some.
I feel like
so you would want one of these?
I prefer the Air Max one. The
Okay.
Air Max black one to that.
No, I gotta change how you look at shoes. Down there's some stuff down there.
Like some double. Is that some double platform?
Well, these are running shoes, but you can still.
No,
wear
these. Like, what the hell are these?
These are running shoes. Oh,
No,
these?
this.
Oh, hell no. You was not getting these. These are double
What?
platform.
This is
I've never
cute.
seen this before. You like this?
Yes.
Why you just want to be tall?
I don't know. Coming shots.
You like this, bro? What is it called?
That is unusual. I've never seen
Level
anything
8.
like that before. That double platform, like, what?
Okay.
I think it's like more like my sneakers I'm normally buy. You get me? So like,
Yeah.
what I want to normally buy. But this is cute.
You like these?
Nah.
Would this look good for you? You don't like that?
Nah.
Not even the black version?
This brown one, I would take this brown one too. Because I'm looking for a brown and a black one.
You're stuck in your old ages. That's why you're not looking at any other shoes.
How dare you?
No, it's real. It's realistic.
You hear this man say I could joke stopping on me,
You're
stuck in my
your
old age.
These are what people wear in Jamaica when I was like 8. No, not even 8.
What?
I came up here when I was 6, like 5, 4. And I wanted them.
Me simple. I'm just now coming out of my
I'm trying to
regular.
get you hip, bro. But then I can't get you hip.
Oh,
if
when
you
I
don't
know
like
what
it.
time at the tree.
Alright, come, let's check over
Then
here.
if we go eat and go get this something now.
Alright, so these are all good sizes. Nah, I don't see nothing over here for you. Let's go. Okay, and then there's other Jordans that she's released since he retired that are called Flight that you never wear. People only wear retro Jordans. Make sense?
TJ, you're too tall, you know?
What do you mean?
I swear to God, you're too tall. Because, you know, it's work this enough, all this up stuff.
You gotta hold it on with that hand at an angle.
But I can't hold it that way because this thing is so messy, so it kind of weird. Yeah, perfect. You know how much work this for? Look
You
at
recording the whole thing?
No, well, I was recording inside. But look at the height difference. Like, that's crazy.
And I wanna be taller too.
But then
I
your
need 2 more
shoulder.
inches. I need 2 more.
Look away.
6'3", like 6'3".
And I have on a platform shoe, so I'm still shocked.
Well, I mean, this is kind of a flat.
No, but no.
Yeah, you're right.
Alright, guys, so we are heading to. Hold on, Bath and Body Works downstairs or up there?
I have no clue.
We're gonna maybe have to carry the food with me.
I gotta start looking at some more big pants for these. You don't like my big pants?
Huh?
You don't like my big pants?
I mean, I look bad with this. Where you look
Oh.
bad with the purple
No, but
thing.
I showed you.
That's
Everybody
somebody work
loved
right
that.
here.
I posted that on Instagram.
I saw you do that too, and you send it out, and I'm like,
Yeah, because everybody likes it.
alright. Alright, guys, we're in Bath and Body Works.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my...
Oh, no,
What are we looking for? We're looking for candles.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me...
You're looking for a candle for me?
Yeah.
Oh, so I should be looking at that instead of you.
Oh, one second.
Bro.
It says
Why?
champagne toast.
Oh my god, it smells like deodorant.
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
They're all gonna smell like something we use on your body already. Which one is that?
It smells like cologne.
They're gonna smell like that. TJ.
What do you mean?
You want like vanilla? Or come over here, so sugar lemon zest.
No. like this. I want
Ew.
like fruity.
Smell lemon.
I want like fruity stuff.
Alright, let's go on this one.
Yeah.
Check out some around this one. What is lavender? It's the green that me know.
It's nature.
No?
Not nature, not
It's like not nature, not nature.
greenhouse has to, right? No, bro. Like, it all smell like some type of body odor.
So you want like vanilla, sweet orange and agave?
Okay, let me some. This sounds good. And you have raspberry whip. Okay.
That's yeah.
Yo, I go. There's some guys. Eh?
I don't like that.
What?
Mm.
No, that smells so good. Pink lavender espresso.
Oh, it smell nice?
Yo, these smell crazy.
That's not bad.
Yo, no, what? These smell
That's
so
not bad.
good. Maybe because I'm a candle shopper.
Yeah. That's why. We got to light something.
Oh, this smells good too.
Yeah? I smell like. This,
Smells so good.
I smell the vanilla.
And coffee.
Yeah.
That
smell
smells
nice.
so good.
That smell nice.
Hold on, this might be one of the winners. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, so hold on, find that. Which one?
There's also, what is that? Mahogany coconut?
That one must smell nice.
No.
No?
Ah,
What's that?
it's weak.
Yeah. Try the coconut one. One to fit.
Nah. It smells like something you put in your hair. Here, look. That's the orange.
Lavender. You have more onions. You have wild rose and.
Oh,
It sounds like soap. It smells like soap, so.
I don't like that.
Alright, so you have. This one you just smell a while ago?
Yeah. White teas, sage. It smells like smells like a shower gel or something.
Oh, you got more over here, baby.
What is this?
Cactus blossom,
Cactus blossom.
rose water and ivy, white garden,
I don't want
gardenia, pink apple punch.
No.
No. Eucalyptus rain. That sounds like something that I like. I'm gonna buy top this one.
Which one?
Eucalyptus rain.
Pink apple punch? Yo, that sounds crazy. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my
More one of
gosh.
this.
Yo.
I want one of that, yeah.
You gotta look at the names, bro.
I want one of that. You gotta take one for yourself?
I took out this one for myself. I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't know
You
which
take one or two.
I can take one or two.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be good too. They shouldn't all end either because I can't bring them up to school. Oh no, that smells horrible.
It don't smell
That
bad.
smells horrible. No.
What about the white garden? Mr. Vanilla bean. I'm a love vanilla.
Vanilla bean is gonna be basic.
Ooh, wait, hold on. Cinnamon. It's regular vanilla.
Yeah, that's what I said. Smell like something you put in coffee.
Teach. Smell like that.
I'm getting hungry smelling these.
That one missing though.
Oh. It smells like a cake.
That's what I want.
Like a cinnamon cake.
Give me a sorry. I'm gonna make it like it's not as strong as the vanilla bean.
Definitely not, but it still smells good. It still has a cinnamon to it.
Yeah, if it smell it too much. I don't like them weak one, man.
You don't like this one?
Too weak. I think that's up your alley.
No.
No, it's not.
Yo, I don't like cologne body wash smells as mine. I like stuff like this. Like these two right
Hold
here.
on, smell this. A Paris cafe. I'm not put at the top.
These two smell so good. No, smell like coffee. Just straight coffee. Nothing else.
It's
Like
literally coffee.
nothing else but coffee.
What about the white gardenia?
Hold on, you say you want one of these, or should I pick up two? Because I feel like these are the two.
I want this, yeah, pick up one.
Same one, right? Same my name though. Like, you know what I mean?
What about this one? Lakeside Morning? I say we never try this new one either.
Alright, you try to open that one, I'll open this one. I'll take the top one. Oh, this smells good.
It smells like perfume.
It smells. Oh. It smells good.
You can't even smell it.
Yes, you can. Mommy, sniff
Alright.
the thing.
Let me get some breath first.
Sniff the whole thing.
I don't know.
It smells cool. It smells watery. I don't even know what it doesn't even have a smell, but it smells like oceany, like a lot of. And my head's completely cut off. Smell good? Yeah, totally.
Are you sure the watermelon?
No.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Oh, that smells like Jolly Rancher.
I don't know,
It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. You ever had watermelon Jolly Rancher? Yeah, that's what.
That's my favorite Jolly Rancher.
That's what it smells like, no?
Feel it, I feel it. It's kind of all over that place, man.
Oh, okay. So let's move.
And I'm a vanilla bean person. I feel like it's out of this one. Did you care if you want your uncas? You want cart round back?
Is it cartridge?
Yeah. Like I think they give you more like carts. I don't know how I feel about this one. I like it, I don't like it at the same time.
I don't know. It smells good. It smells like.
It does.
I mean, if you love Jolly Rancher, if you love that, if that's your favorite.
Yeah, but not for the smell around the whole
Oh,
house.
then no. Then.
I feel like I really want this.
Going over there now?
Yeah.
Where? You want what?
The vanilla bean though.
Oh man,
The
stop being
vanilla.
basic. And if you already listen. You already have one. Let's go check that one. And if there's nothing, you come back to it.
I have to kill you just in case.
Mama, do your records.
It's like just in case. What? I'm sure just in case.
It's fire too. I ain't gonna lie.
You see, you're getting so used to the pressure, and it smells like you have to do a whole
just whip?
Like,
You just need a whip.
yeah, you like, I'm not too weak. That's what I'm aware of.
Summer sky, it was the best we ever had. It will stay.
It smells like a pound cake, lemon pound cake. You know what I'm talking about? Lemon pound cake with 95. The circle one.
That's not weak. I don't want to do it. Alright, so actually, I want to go with mine.
Okay, go ahead. Yes, put the rest of the food trash.
See, I'll take two, I take two. Alright, here you go. We're gonna get.
As we shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts.
You need any of these?
What is that?
The
Hand sanitizer? I don't think so.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive.
Is it still 4 for 8 or 5 for 8? 1, 2, 3, 4.
It says 3 for 12 right here.
No, actually, the spray hand sanitizer. It's in the same pocket. I think it's still 5 for 8.
Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. You got the venom, a tangible.
This is alright. We get the food and let's go.
In this possession, you got their attention, I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
I am good. Look at my shower. No discount, no nothing.
The candles are priced as there's 10 and the pocket backs are 6 for 10.
6 for 10?
Yeah.
You don't have the 5 for 8 anymore? Alright, so take up 2 more. I think I have 10, right?
Yes, you had 10.
So 2 more, so we can get the discount.
Somebody who could save him instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the
Alright, so guys, we're finished with Bath & Body Works and we're heading over to Charlie's.
$50.
I have no money to buy Charlie's though.
Huh?
I have no money to buy Charlie's.
Charlie's is good though. I ain't gonna lie.
Charlie's is good. If you don't come on the mall, come eat Charlie's, you're not eating no man. Like,
Charlie's or this place?
or yeah, or eat teriyaki. It's eat up off, but bourbon cheesesteak. Kentucky bourbon cheesesteak.
Cheddar, sauteed onions, fried onions.
Here, the onion part is enough for me.
Fried onions. I love these. Wait. Oh, sauteed onions, not fried onions. So what are these things? These are fried onions.
French onion crisp.
Oh no, I don't know about the French onion crisp. What is this? Cajun fries? Alright, so I think this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just stick to our regular. Let's stick to our regular.
Cajun fries and not Cajun fries?
Huh?
Why is it Cajun fries and not Cajun fries?
What do you mean?
Why people call it Cajun? Why is it pronounced Cajun and not Cajun?
Is it J?
Okay, but J can be pronounced Yan in Spanish.
I know, but we're not Spanish. Alright, so look, we're gonna get like, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking on top of it, so like it's like the fries are seasoned. So I'm thinking Cajun fries, but with the jalapeno pepper fries.
Oh, they never have that before.
No, they didn't. That's what I'm saying. It's new. Stuff is new. So I wanted like Cajun fries, but I wanted the jalapeno topping on it.
So why don't you just take the gourmet fries and done? Why make you
What
take that
gourmet
concept? Because that's all gourmet fries.
Yeah, but
I'll do chicken teriyaki. I'm just take half. Come out and eat a full. Like.
nah, take the other half.
Unless your father want one.
Yeah, take the other half.
Call your father and find out if he wants something to eat. Since we're there, so now. Alright guys, so we're inside. I have to eat something. We're in the car. Food all over. TJ refused to eat right now in the wait. But like, these are the juices. It's a strawberry lemonade. And this is the food teriyaki chicken sandwich. It is so good. It is so good. I'm hungry. This is the jalapeno. What is the jalapeno seasoned fries?
Jalapeno pepper fries.
Peppered fries. Guys, I wanted to go straight to the hair store right now, but I have to eat something like Mad did. So I'm gonna just eat half of this. Go to the hair store, grab the kids, and stop and get some McDonald's. Troy didn't want anything, so I'm not sure I'm gonna eat later. Anywho, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video. So I'll see you when I actually get the kids, so yeah. Alright guys, we're at the hair store. Pick up a Fandangles them.
I'm trying to find them.
Right here, son.
Oh, okay, so butter cream and sesame moisture stealing. So where's the orange one?
Orange one right here.
Oh. What? Oh, that's gel. Wait, no, that's not the one either. Wait, hold up. This is it. But this says don't shrink. But this is gel. I don't want no gel in my hair. But I want something that doesn't make my hair shrink though. Do you have something like that? Because that would be cool.
No, you feel so many use that.
I know, but like, obviously, I don't want nothing that has gel. No, this is no gel. I don't want no gel in my hair. Because what I normally do is I let my hair just be some days, so I don't want no gel just having build up. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So.
And that's it? That's all you want?
These two. Unless you can help me find something that's not gonna make my hair shrink.
TJ, you know I don't know.
It's not a gel. Well, maybe.
It's
like we're looking for no. I want you. I want you.
No.
Just help me. We'll just look at
the person will work
Oh
here.
no, we don't even have a lot of time anyway. So come on, let's go.
TJ, let me get some of
No, I want it's supposed to be me and you. No, why?
No, the person will work here. Would I tell you just recommend something because she works and she knows, but it's good.
Nah, bro.
Alright,
let's go.
Let me find. I need a brush for Tavania here.
So lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold.
So it's like a weapon. Yeah, I guess.
No, but it feels soft though.
Nah, it's supposed to go so you can go through all your hair so it doesn't just take your hair out.
Soft.
No, don't get that one. This type of brushes, like with the black thing at the bottom of the bristles, they a mold builds up in there. So you'd have the better off getting something like this.
Alright, get a pinch in for hold on, how about this?
Okay, yeah, that looks good too. Just try not to get anything with like a solid base, because stuff starts.
Oh, this is cool.
And it feels
Flexible.
Yeah, that one
Fine
looks
detangling brush.
the difference between this one and this one is this one actually brushes the hair as it goes through.
Alright, I did that one. Looks like you're working here.
Is it on the back?
Look at the back. $5.99.
I mean,
It's an
basically the
8.
same.
That's I feel that. We're gonna go with that. Yeah.
I got it.
I'm gonna go with this one. This tough, tough, your
I
friend.
told you.
I want something for me. Bro.
I can't move on till I let go.
Oh, this one. Oh, this one, baby. This one. Yeah. These two. Alright, that's it. You have everything I want? I'm sorry. That's okay. So just got home. Got the kids some from the school bus. Got food at McDonald's for them. And as you can see, we went to Bath and Body Works and stuff. Hopefully you saw everything that you needed to see. Got 4 candles and some thingamajig here. I thought you can put them up in the plastic. I'm not in the seat directly. So we got the pink apple punch. We got 2 of these. One for me. 2, yeah, 1 for me and 1 for TJ.
Yep, and these are basically mine because I'm going to take up both of them.
And then TJ also got the pink lavender and espresso.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys.
I love you. I'm talking to you guys.
Wait, that's what I'm. Oh, and then I got the vanilla bean. So these are the 4 that we got here. And then we got some, basically just a whole bunch of, what do you call it? This hand sanitizer. The they call it the, what do you call it again? The pocket back. Yeah, that they call this. So we got like 12 of these because it was like 6 for $10.
Oh, I got more. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's 12 of them.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put them back in here. I'm not taking out all of them. We bring them upstairs.
That's okay. And then, should I want to get from the hair store? Got this for Tavania. Tavania, I got this for you here. And then TJ got his products for his hair. And then we just get one little eyeliner, something. Not eyeliner, brow pencil thing.
Did you get my, what's it called, honey mustard?
That's what I forgot. I'm so sorry. So kids are here eating.
I'm open on my side.
Okay.
But I got what's a card.
Superman.
Look, puzzles. Guys, look what I got. Puzzles.
Alright guys, so that's the wrap. Thank you so much for watching. That is our day with my little best friend over there. Look at him. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi.
What are you doing, Mommy?
So our date has now come to an end, and that was amazing. You have fun, baby?
Yes, I did.
Perfect.
I had fun.
We had fun on the road today. It's been a long time since we actually hung out together by ourselves. So that's a wrap. Just reach home. It's now 4:54, and no cooking is happening. So everybody's eating food. What am I, baby? So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, and until later.
That way you feel
Bye.
for sad. Come here, say when me feel for sad. That way you feel for sad.